some cake now.
Oh. It is actually pretty good. Uh-oh.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh,
I
yucky.
was waiting for that.
Oh. Maybe I should get one of those for Sunday.
That looks like Colin did on like his 10th birthday because he flew down to or bent down to do the candles and I slammed his face in the cake. I don't know. I thought that was mean. I thought it was funny as heck.
Matthew.